today's lecture, we will discuss some common cooking verbs along with their meanings and example sentence. First one is bake. Bake means to cook food using dry heat in an oven. She loves to bake cookies on weekends. Boil. It means to heat a liquid until it bubbles and turns to vapor. Boil the water before adding the pasta. Chop. Chop means to cut into small pieces using a knife. Chop the onions finely for the sauce. Fry. Fry means to cook in hot fat or oil. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Grill. Grill means to cook food on a grill over direct heat. We are going to grill some steaks for dinner. Suit. It means to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter. Suit the garlic and onions until they are soft. Steam. Steam means to cook food using steam. Steam the broccoli until it's tender but still bright green. Stir. Stir means to mix food or liquid by moving a spoon or other utensil around in it. Stir the sauce continuously to prevent it from sticking. Blend. Blend means to mix ingredients together until they are smooth. Blend the ingredients in a blender until smooth. Whisk. Whisk means to beat or stir with a light, rapid movement using a whisk. Whisk the eggs and sugar together until fluffy. Knead. To work dough by pressing, folding and stretching. Knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. Grate. Grate means to reduce food to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. For example, grate the cheese and sprinkle it over the pasta. Slice. Slice means to cut into thin, flat pieces. For example, slice the tomatoes for the salad. Poach. Poach means to cook gently in simmering liquid. For example, poach the eggs in lightly salted water. Thank you. Thank you for watching.